Hello family, today we're taking a look at the video game Helldivers 2. So we're going to give our review, you're going to see the gameplay obviously, so here you guys go, enjoy. So this is Helldivers 2. It is a very fun action-packed game that I highly recommend to anybody who loves any kind of shooter games. Hey, anybody who loves any kind of games. It's a lot of fun. You can play with other people, you could just solo it, which... let me tell you, you first start out, you think, oh, this is going to be simple. Well, you realize pretty quickly that those bugs and robots can get to you pretty fast, even when you're running at full sprint. With all the guns, the ammo, the action pack, it is a very fun game. In my opinion, I highly recommend this game to everybody. I've told many people they should play it, and I think you guys should as well.
Reloading.
Initiated. Watch where you're standing.
Calling down a sentry.
Sending down sentry. Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff.
Say hello to democracy.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1